Welcome back to the 3-Minute Node. Today, we are diving into a massive update that is officially retiring some of the most popular legacy tools in the ComfyUI ecosystem. We are talking about SAM3. Segment Anything Model 3 is a generational leap in computer vision, and the big news is that as of version 0.20, ComfyUI now has native support for it. Before we jump into the workflow, let's talk about why SAM3 is a total game changer compared to SAM1 or even SAM2. While previous versions were incredible at finding objects, they often struggled with semantic understanding and complex boundaries. SAM3 is built for precision. It understands what you are asking for without needing specific training for every object. It is faster, more memory efficient, and handles intricate textures and overlapping objects with much higher fidelity. To get started, make sure you update your ComfyUI to version 0.20. Once updated, you can find the new nodes under the detection category. There is a slight UI glitch in the current native implementation that we hope the Comfy team addresses soon, but the functionality is solid. We are specifically using the SAM3 detect node. Look at our first example, a close-up of a woman's face. We load the image and simply type hair into the conditioning. In less than a second, the model returns a perfect mask of the hair. We use join image with alpha to isolate it, and the result is razor sharp. Now, if we type face, it does a decent job, but notice the lip is missing from the selection. This is where SAM3 shines. You can be hyper-specific. By changing the prompt to face, lip, mouth, the model captures every single detail within that facial area. One of the coolest features here is the count control. If you type eye, you will likely only get one eye. That is expected behavior. To fix this, we use the syntax I2 to tell the model to find 2 instances. If you have a group shot, you could do I10. You can even drill down to pupil 2. It handles jewelry like a necklace or specific features like a nose with ease. Because of this semantic precision, we can officially say that the old workflow of using Ultralytics or face YALA from the Impact Pack is effectively retired. SAM3 replaces those specialized detectors with a single promptable node that is faster and more accurate. Moving to a much more complex scenario, a full body shot of 3 diverse friends in a park. This image has a lot going on: metallic vests, braided hair, translucent raincoats, and corduroy textures. We are using the setup from our previous deep dive on QN 3.5 native text gen to describe the image first. We take those descriptive hints and feed them directly into SAM3. Whether it is city sidewalk, shaved head, or metallic puffer vest, SAM3 finds them instantly. It can differentiate between woman in legging and woman in coat perfectly. But what if the mask isn't 100% perfect? Say we prompt pants 10. It picks up the leggings and the man's trousers, but it might catch some background elements too. Here's the pro tip. We are keeping this entirely native. No custom nodes required. We use the ComfyUI mask editor to manually paint out the unwanted areas, then use the native mask composite node. We set the SAM3 mask as the destination and use the subtract operation with our manual paint as the source. Voila, unwanted areas are gone. You can also use and, or operations to combine different detections. It even works for background, though it is most effective in studio-style shots. At the 3-Minute Node, we believe in modularity. We don't build 100-node mega workflows. We craft versatile modules that snap together. Let's combine this with our QN image edit in painting workflow. We take an image of a master bedroom and use SAM3 to detect the quilted bedspread. It is a perfect mask. Then, we prompt QN edit to change the pattern of bed covers to floral. This is the ultimate professional move. By using SAM3 for the mask and QN for the in-painting, we bypass the 1 megapixel limitation of QN edit. We are only editing the masked area, which means we avoid the dreaded pixel shifting and quality loss that happens when you run QN over an entire high-res image. Comparing the results between in-painting and standard whole image editing, the difference in quality is night and day. Lastly, for those who need a softer edge, you can use the Grow mask with Blur Node by KJ Nodes. Given the speed of native development, we expect ComfyUI to add native blurring soon. But for now, the native nodes only support growing the mask. SAM3 is the new standard for precision editing in ComfyUI. It is fast, native, and smarter than anything we have used before. Stop watching. Start creating. Grab the JSON on Discord, and I will see you in the next one. And that's the node, all open source. No filler. Thank you for watching. Grab the file, keep creating.